Welcome to an impromptu unboxing that is at perhaps our most ghetto unboxing location yet. This is a mobile cart in front of a green wall. This is the Heligon series twin tower heatsink, the HE01 from Silverstone. It offers, according to them, superior silence and performance, 6 soldered heat pipes, copper base, and aluminum fins, ensuring the best thermal conduction. Designed for standard chassis at 164 millimeters tall, so it's not super tall. Some tower heatsinks can be so tall that your chassis side window won't close once you install them. I've seen this before. So their whole thing here is, well, you know, we want a high performance tower, but we want it to actually fit in your case. So yeah, okay, so it's not that tall. It's not that short either, so you're not going to be fitting this in like your standard ITX enclosure or anything like that. So here is a manual showing you how to use the, oh, I've seen this mounting mechanism before. It's very good. Very solid, very easy to use. It's just straight pins through the board, spacers, then you bolt down the things and bolt down the other thing to the other thing. I'll actually show you once we have it opened up here anyway. So in terms of accessories, we have do not eat, we have clips for fans. It looks like we can install, oh look at that, up to 3 fans using the included clips, although you stop benefiting around the 2 fan mark that much. But if you wanted to run super low RPM, good static pressure fans and do 3 of them, then you'd get very good airflow through the fins without a lot of noise. Here's the mounting hardware itself. Here is, okay, so here's the solid backplate, and by solid I really do mean solid backplate. This thing is like, look how thick it is. We should do like an iPhone thickness comparison. So it's at least as solid as an iPhone, probably in all likelihood. Well, it's made of steel and the iPhone's made of glass, so it's probably more solid than an iPhone, but generally not going anywhere. Then you've got these bolts that go through, these spacers that go on there, then these thumb screws that go down on top of these pieces here, and finally this solid metal piece that goes on top of the whole thing. It's not going anywhere and it's quite easy to install compared to some of the other mechanisms I've seen on these high-end tower heatsinks. So this is interesting. It's got, oh, fascinating. So rather than have 2 identical towers like most tower heat pipe coolers, this has a thick side and a thin side. This is neat because it allows Silverstone to maintain compatibility with motherboards that have the RAM slots very near to the CPU socket. Here, so just, okay, normally you wouldn't install this on an ITX board, but I'm just going to grab this for illustrative purposes. Here we go. So check this out. When you have RAM slots on one side, if you were to install it this way, you can see you'd cover your nearest RAM slot. Okay, so that's a problem if you have high profile memory. Whereas what Silverstone's done is they've gone with one small one. So you can use your RAM slots, you see that clearance there? But you still get the benefit of more aluminum fins on the other side for cooling. So they're going for that sort of balanced approach. It's asymmetrical looking, but if you're in it for performance and not necessarily sort of like the symmetry of your motherboard, then this is a great solution. Heat pipe wise, you can see they're all connected to the base here, soldered, okay. Don't worry too much about the shininess of the base. I mean, we're going to do the obligatory sort of finger shot so you can see the reflectiveness, but flatness is more important than actual reflectiveness. The overall finish of the cooler is very matte, so it doesn't have sort of like a shiny, glossy look to it. Just simple Silverstone branding on the top of each one of the towers, and then simple, an all silver look. So even though, you know, even the base is copper, they've plated that so that it doesn't look, and actually these are copper as well, so they're nickel plated so that it has that very consistent appearance. So we're going to go ahead and put that right there. So the reason they include clips for up to, oh look at that, they include a high pressure, look at this fan, outstanding. So a high pressure 140 millimeter fan is included, and that goes right in the middle. So you can install up to, like I said, 3 fans. So you can put one here, and one super duper thick one that they include for you in the middle. It's got a 4-pin PWM connector, and then, oh, check that out. This is clever. So you connect this to your motherboard header, And then this goes to a secondary fan, and you just run the existing fan wire to it. So that's smart. That way they don't have to include an extra little adapter, and this looks very clean. High quality sleeving on the fan itself, and the fan feel like you can see from the shape of the blades, the way that they're swept, this is pressure optimized, and it actually feels quite solid as well. Not as sort of rugged as a Delta by any stretch of the imagination, but not flimsy by any means either. You've also got a switch here for quiet mode and performance mode, so that's really cool as well. And I think that pretty much wraps it up. Thank you for checking out this unboxing and first look at the HE01 from Silverstone. Don't forget to subscribe to Linus Tech Tips for more unboxings, reviews, and other computer videos. And before we go, we should mention the compatibility. It's compatible with pretty much everything. 775, 1155, 1156, 1366, 2011, AM2, AM3, FM1, FM2, AM3+, all that good stuff. Don't forget, oh, I already said that. Bye-bye.